In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in PayPal app. By the end, you'll know how to set a different currency as your default so future payments and balances show the way you expect. Start by opening the PayPal app and signing in if you're prompted. From the home screen, head to your account overview, sometimes labeled Summary. This is where you see your recent activity and a snapshot of your balances. If your app layout looks a little different, don't worry. PayPal updates designs from time to time, but the options you need will be in the same general area. Next, go to Wallet. The wallet is where your funding sources live, like cards and bank accounts, and it's also where you'll see the list of currencies your account currently supports. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have multiple balances. Now look through the currencies that are already listed and tap the one you want to switch to. This opens the details for that currency, showing any available balance and related options. Choosing the currency here doesn't move money yet, you're just selecting which one you want to make your default. On the currency details screen, tap Make Primary. Setting a currency as primary tells PayPal to treat it as your default for future activity. This is different from converting funds on the spot for a single payment. You can still pay in other currencies when needed, but your account will prefer the one you set here. You'll likely see a confirmation step. Tap Set as primary to confirm your choice. If PayPal shows a note about exchange rates or fees, that's just a reminder for when conversions happen in the future. Changing your primary currency doesn't automatically convert your existing balance. It only sets the default for how amounts are displayed and how new payments are handled unless a transaction specifies otherwise. When you see the success message, tap Done. You should now see your chosen currency marked as the primary one in Wallet. Take a second to verify that it appears at the top or carries a primary label. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you pay a seller who charges in a different currency, PayPal will handle the conversion at its current rate, and conversion fees may apply. Some merchants can override your default by invoicing in their own currency, which is normal. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these steps and set a different currency as your primary. And if your interface looks different due to region or updates, look for the same wording. Wallet, the currency list, make primary, set as primary, and done.